freestyle wall painting competition. Calling all creative minds of Meghalaya. Unleash your imagination, express your art, and paint your story on the wall. This is your chance to turn a blank wall into a masterpiece and win exciting cash prizes. Organized by Seng Samla Lom Nongrim Bernihat on the 24th of January 2026 at Lom Nongrim Bernihat Playground between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. The entry fee is 500 rupees and the space provided is 10 feet per participant. First prize will receive 20,000 rupees, second prize 10,000 rupees and third prize 5,000 rupees. The rules and guidelines: participants must bring their own colors. One helper allowed per artist. No mobile phones or chats during the competition. Open only for participants from Meghalaya. For queries, you can call 8974628467. Come, paint your passion, compete with talent, and let your art speak louder than words. Come, paint your passion, compete with talent, and let your art speak louder than words. Don't miss it.